Hey guys, Spencer here, and I just wanted to show you these really cool Bose speakers that we've got. They're Bose 9012s. These are some really unique speakers. You won't find these anywhere. They've got 8 tweeter speakers on the back side of them, and they're designed like that so that the sound bounces off the walls and the ceiling, and it creates a much more full sound in your theater room or living room, wherever it may be. And it's got these stands on them, which are optional. You don't need to have the stands on them. You can take them off. They've got little feet on them, which will allow you to place them on any flat surface that's big enough to hold them. They are pretty heavy. Something to keep in mind if you are interested in buying these. They are in good condition, but not really great. You can see right there, one speaker is missing the badge, and then the top is a little rough around the edges, not perfect, but they're still really nice. They work perfectly without any problems. Plus, something else that's really cool about them is the speaker wire connects below the speaker and it runs through the stand if you had it on, which makes it a lot more sleek and no wires hanging anywhere. And I spun them around just so you can take a look at the back side. So we've got 4 speakers right there, and then 4 more right there. And a lot of people do recommend, and we do as well, getting an equalizer with these. They will allow you to get much better sound, and you can pick and choose exactly how you want it to sound. An equalizer really will complement one of these. If you're looking to buy these, you can pick them up on our website at SpenCertified.com. You can order online or you can give us a call. Thanks for watching.